Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Accounts, tap on Add Account and choose Google. Now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. And mark next. And now enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. And now just go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Just by marking you can enter it. Okay, somehow it's not working maybe. Okay, I don't know why it is not loading. Okay, so here it is. You just have to be patient and then you will be able to read everything. And if you do agree with all the details, tap on I agree. Now just mark the accept icon. And that's it. As you can see, your account is added. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.